Hi friends, in this video I want to show you this awesome project robot. So this is the robot that I have created. So I will show you that how this works and what I have used to make this. So these all parts are 3D printed, and this robot can perform more than 50 moves. So now I will show you what I have used inside this. So inside this robot, these all are the components used. So here we have one Arduino Nano, one expansion shield for Arduino Nano. Then we have this ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires, two servo motors, Bluetooth module, buzzer, and two servo motors here also. Then I have coded these all to perform the task. Now I will show you that how this works. I'll just input this. Then we can give the power from here. So I am using this for the power supply. So I will just connect it here. So I've connected. So this is the buzzer, and we can control this using this app. And it has inbuilt Bluetooth, so we can connect it using this. So this is HC05. So now it's connected and done. Like for example, if I will just keep it here, and if I will like this, it has all different moves, and it has buzzer inside this so that it can make these types of voice. And these have different steps which are performed using these two and inside two servo motors. For example, now let me show you this again. Now another move I will show you. Just so inside this, here we have these all moves. Then it has these all emotion sounds. Then these all emotion with perform. Like if I will click this. Then it has many sounds. I will show you the code also for this. So this is just the demo that how to create this, and these all parts are 3D printed. So now let's move to the next. Now here we have like in this we have and inside this I have just used one buzzer to make these all sounds. And then we have like now it also have like move forward, backwards, right, left. So let me show you that also. So now I will just show you one more thing, and after that we will move to the code. I have coded this with the Arduino IDE. For example, in the song section, in these are the song section, we have like So now let's move to the code for this. This is the code for the robot, and I will give this code in the comment section, so you can take this from there. So all the pins are defined here, and then you can download the app, and the app link is in the description, and you can also make this robot. Please like, share and subscribe.